If this was you over the last 3 years, patiently waiting for XRP's price to move from 30 to 40 to 50 cents to $1 to $3 as it did in the last bull market, fear not, because your waiting might be coming to an end very, very soon as a massive catalyst to the XRP Ledger and XRP token is coming, and that is the AMM activation on the XRPL, which could have a positive effect on Ripple and the price of the XRP token. Let's break down what exactly is this big release of the AMM. So the decentralized public blockchain XRP Ledger will see the activation of an automated market maker by March 22nd. So just 10 days from today, according to data from XRP Scan, XRP holders are anticipating a positive impact of the development on the altcoin and the payment remittance firm. Find out more about it. So the XLS 30D amendment that proposed the activation of this AMM offers XRP holders the opportunity to earn passive income by offering liquidity to pools. XRP holders that provide liquidity will get liquidity pool tokens in proportion to their deposits and can vote on the AMM's trading charge. Now, what does this mean? You're bringing more utility to the XRP token. If people are incentivized to lock up their tokens in these liquidity pools, and as more and more of the money starts flowing in and purchasing XRP, well, supply and demand. As demand goes higher and supply starts to shrink because people are putting these tokens up in the liquidity pools, you should see a movement in price up. Now, a little brief understanding of what the AMM on the XRPL is going to be like. Now, if you're not familiar, Automated Market Maker is a smart contract that provides liquidity in the XRP Ledger's decentralized exchange. Each AMM holds a pool of 2 assets. And what I'll do is I'm not going to go over this in detail, but I will drop this in the description of this video so you can click on it and look it out for yourself. It breaks down what exactly is a liquidity pool, what is the amendment benefit, what are the benefits, what are some of the drawbacks, and how exactly does it work? You also have Ripple making waves in Europe as their partner expands into the European continent. InPay, which is a rapidly growing European fintech company, has enhanced the expansion of Tranglo, which is a global payment service provider, into Europe. This collaboration marks a significant stride in InPay's broader expansion strategy, particularly into the Asian market. Now, what is Tranglo? Well, since 2022, Tranglo has been a key part in Ripple's on-demand liquidity service, also known as ODL, enabling instant, cost-efficient cross-border payments across 25 payment corridors without the need for pre-funding. Then you have this from the Ripple website, Unlocking Liquidity in the Tokenized Economy, Part 3 of a 3-part series. The matter of fact is the demand for blockchain will inevitably catch up to the technological developments similar to the advent of the internet. Brad Chase, which is the head of liquidity at Ripple, remarked in an interview, quote, "When you have this technology that's shown its promise and now you've taken the rough edges off of the first version, that's when enterprises can lean in and adopt it. The same way that no one asks if you are an internet company now because everyone truly is. Thus, the opportunity of tokenization lies in increased liquidity, and the challenge lies in ensuring demand exists and connecting those digital asset holders to the sophisticated on and off ramps." We talk about narratives in the crypto space all the time: AI, gaming, layer ones, layer twos. No one's been really talking about one of the biggest sectors in the world, which is payments. And well, guess who the leader is? And that is none other than XRP. You also have, speaking of liquidity and interoperability, a big partnership as Ripple and Axelar partner to enhance XRP Ledger's interoperability across all blockchains. So liquidity and interoperability, those are the 2 key focuses of the Ripple team. Ripple and Axelar Foundation are partnering to bring seamless interoperability to the XRPL across a diverse range of blockchain networks. This collaboration aims to drive forward a more interconnected blockchain ecosystem, offering developers new opportunities for integration and application development. Now, how are they leveraging Axelar? Well, Axelar Network's integration with XRPL aims to bolster the XRPL DeFi ecosystem by providing essential liquidity, there's a word again, for stablecoins and large cap assets. Developers will also be able to capitalize on the XRPL's built-in features, such as their native DEX, the upcoming AMM, which we just covered, and the payment system recognized for its security and efficiency. XRP has been slept on. You know, I've called it a stable coin. The price hasn't moved. You take a look at how XRP has moved against Bitcoin. It has been nothing but down since July of 2023, but some potential good news here as the chart is showing us. We have flipped this resistance trend line into potentially support if this price here can hold. And well, what happened the last time XRP broke out of Bitcoin in a downtrend, right? Which was right here. We had this massive downtrend. And when XRP finally broke, it had a rally from top to bottom of around 100%. So it doubled. Now, keep in mind, this was during the SEC lawsuit where nothing had been settled yet. We are currently in a state where the final leg of this lawsuit is about to come to an end. We've had XRP deemed, the sale of XRP tokens on secondary markets deemed as non-securities. So truly, XRP and say Bitcoin are the only two crypto assets that have some sort of legal clarity around it. And so once the back end of this lawsuit is completely done and XRP is free to spread its wings, if they can continue the adoption rate that they're going at and they can continue to expand the XRP Ledger, who knows how high can XRP get to $2 by the end of April, May? Can it get to over $5, $6 by the end of this year? The potential for XRP is there. We take a look at open interest from XRP. Take a look overall. We're up positive 0.31% over the last 1 hour. We are down over the last 24 hours across the board, right around 5%. But to be honest, everything is really down with the exception of maybe Bitcoin. You see Doge. Doge is down. Solana was up. BNB, I bet, is up. Yeah, of course, 10.78%. But XRP just hasn't been getting the love that a lot of these crypto coins have. They're one of the longest tenured tokens in the space. And so the potential is there. We've seen what it could do. Was ranked number 2, only behind Bitcoin just a few short years ago, until Jay Clayton, of course, came in and ruined Christmas for all the XRP holders. Taking a look at the XRP chart on the daily, we are testing this order block zone, which is right around 62.7 to 65.7 cents. We did get a break of structure. I'm using price action concepts by Luxalgo. We did get a break of structure from this massive candle we saw yesterday. So from wick to wick, this is a 28% candle, something we haven't seen from XRP going back to November of last year. And so the narrative is flipping bullish. Although on the weekly, I do want to point, we did have a liquidity grab up here as XRP pierced that 74-cent level. And the last time we had such a liquidity grab was back in March of 2022. Of course, this was during the bear market. I'm not saying we're going to see another, what was a spill off from wick to bottom? I'm not saying we're going to see another 70% spill off, but just be wary on the higher time frames. We are seeing this liquidity grab now. Of course, these can be invalidated, but look how much room XRP has left to run until we hit this premium zone on the Luxalgo indicator. So the move here, we still have about 177% to go until we hit overbought territory, according to the premium zone here, which would put XRP right at $1.89. And so going down to the lower time frames, taking a look at the 4-hour, you saw again on that massive candle yesterday, we saw volume spike to levels we haven't seen in a very, very, very long time. And honestly, guys, we've got a beautiful, beautiful bull flag setup here on the 4-hour for XRP. If you're not familiar, this pattern does typically break to the up or break to the upside. And how you do is you measure the width of this flat, or you take the pole, right? You take the length of the pole and you take it to where the breakout is, and you're looking at a target of around 82.3 cents for XRP. Of course, TA is all about probabilities. So if this does play out, those are some of the targets to look at. So what do you think XRP will be at the end of the year? Give us your price prediction in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like the video and come check out our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.